Welcome to class 9th, and let us today start with our class 9th mathematics course. I will be posting YouTube videos regarding various topics of mathematics. Do log on to or do subscribe that channel so that you get the whenever I post a new topic, you get an intimation about it, as well as various study material I will be posting on Google Classroom app. Many of students of class 9th D are there, and I request the remaining also to join it quickly so that you benefit from it. Now starting with our topic of class 9th, and as the numbers and as the chapter itself says, the name of the chapter is number system. And let us start with the number system. And the smallest number system in mathematics is natural number system, which we can say is a counting numbers. So smallest number system is natural numbers. And you all know that natural number are counting number, and it starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So that's why they are called counting numbers. Next is a whole number. Now the set or the family of whole number is larger than that of natural number, because the whole number starts from 0 and it goes up to infinity. Then comes integers, where integers are natural numbers and their negatives, as well as 0. Then comes the rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which are in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. So I'm taking example, let it be 3 upon 5 is an example of rational number, minus 3 upon 5 is also an example, and 3 upon minus 5 is also an example of rational numbers. And our today's exercise is exercise 1.1, and here first question is 0 a rational number? So you have to prove that is 0 a rational number. And can we write it in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0? The same definition. So you have to prove is 0 a rational number? We can write 0 as 0 upon 2, because 0 can be divided by 2, it gives the result 0. 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. 0 can be written as 0 upon minus 2, because every time whatever denominator you take, whatever integer the denominator you will take, you will get its value equals to 0. So all these values are integers, therefore 0 is a rational number, because it can be represented in the form p upon q, and here no q is equals to 0. Therefore 0 is a rational number. Now moving to question number second. Question number second is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we have to calculate, as we know that 3 and 4 are two numbers. Even on the scale, if you draw a line, that will be 3, then the 4 centimeter. So how many numbers can exist between these? How many rational numbers? If you say, then there are infinite numbers of numbers lying between 3 and 4. Infinite numbers. And the question has asked from us only 6. We have to mention, or we have to write only 6 rational numbers lying between 3 and 4. So this point, which is at the mid of 3 and 4, its value can be calculated by adding 3 plus 4 divided by 2, because the mean of 3 and 4, we get value equals to 7 upon 2, that is 3.5. So this particular value is 3.5. Now then we have to find the value between 3 and 3.5. For that, 3 plus 3.5 divided by 2, it gives 6.5 divided by 2, which comes out to be 3.25, which is in between this, exactly at the center, 3.25. Then between 3.5 and 4, so it gives 7.5 divided by 2, and you will get the answer. And the remaining you can also find. This will give you 3 values. We require 6. Next can be calculated between 3 and 3.25. Next 3.25 and 3.75, and so on. So the remaining parts you have to do yourself. Now moving to question number 3. Now what the question number 3 states as, here again you have to find rational numbers, and the number of rational numbers which you have to find are 5 in number. You have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So one method is there which I have already told you. So we can write it there. Now this value is 3 upon 5. This will be 4 upon 5. So we have to find the mid between these. So it will be 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5 divided by 2. On solving this, like fractions are these. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So it becomes 7 upon 5 divided by 2. On further rational number, we can write 2 as 2 upon 1. Rational number when divided, the numerator and denominator get multiplied, and we multiply the numerator by the reciprocal of denominator. So our answer is, let me write it here. So the exact mid value between these is 7 upon 10. Now we will be calculating the mid value between these two. For that we have to add 3 upon 5 plus 7 upon 10 divided by 2. So what do we get? Now LCM here will be 10. 5 2s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. 10 1s are 10 and 1 7s are 7. So it is 13 upon 10 divided by 2. Is no space, I am writing it down. We further solve it. 13 upon 10 multiply by 1 upon 2, so it gives 13 upon 20. So 13 upon 20 is a number between these two, and remaining values you can easily find. To find the mid value between these two, 7 upon 10 plus 5 upon 4, 4 upon 5 divided by 2, you will get this value, and so on. Take two extremes and get the mid value of this. Remaining 3 you have to do yourself. Now next is a true and false. Read it, and if you have having any problem in solving it, I will be there.